Today we've got 30 kitchen gadgets that speed up every step, from prep to cooking and cleanup. Let's get into it. This fruit and veggie quartering tool cuts strawberries, grapes, carrots, and more in one clean press, making healthy snack prep faster than ever. Perfect for meal prep, slicing baby potatoes for sheet pan dinners, or cutting grapes into bite-sized pieces safe for kids. A simple kitchen gadget that earns its drawer space every single day. This 5-blade meat chopper breaks up ground beef, turkey, and sausage faster and more evenly than anything else in your kitchen drawer. BPA-free nylon is safe on non-stick pans, heat-resistant up to 447 degrees, and the wide beveled blades handle mashing potatoes, fruits, and vegetables just as well as meat. Dishwasher safe and a genuine weeknight cooking game changer. This 5-piece silicone spatula set handles every kitchen task, from folding batter to scraping pans, and it's just $8.99, 31% off right now. One-piece seamless construction means no food traps and no cracking. Heat resistance up to 600 degrees means no melting on hot pans, and the perfectly balanced flexibility scrapes every last bit from any bowl or pot. A toaster that's only 3.58 inches wide is the small kitchen save you didn't realize existed. The Bella Slim Toaster has one 10-inch extra-long slot that fits 2 slices side by side, or a full sourdough slice, bagel, or baguette without forcing you to flip it halfway. 6 browning settings, so your toast actually comes out how you like, plus reheat and cancel buttons. A 24-pack of dishcloths for under $6 is the kind of restock that makes you wonder why you kept paying more. This set is $5.98, a full 50% off. Coral fleece weave with a looped outer texture for scrubbing and a tight underweave that won't fray after a few washes. Doesn't shed fluff, doesn't trap odors like sponges, and finished edges keep them from unraveling. 7 by 9 inches, just right for one hand. This roll-up stainless steel dish drying rack sits right over your sink to reclaim counter space, and it's just $6.99, 22% off right now. 18 304 stainless steel pipes with food-safe silicone connections hold up to 33 pounds, handle heat up to 400 degrees, and roll up compact for storage when not in use. Works as a drying rack, cooling rack, fruit bowl, and food prep surface all in one. This 2-pack pickle fork clips right onto any jar, so you can grab pickles, olives, and peppers without sticking your hand in the brine. Food-grade stainless steel tines hold on to slippery pickles without dropping them. Stretchy silicone rings fit jars of all sizes, and it comes in multiple colors to match your kitchen. A small but genuinely useful gadget that solves an annoyance everyone has. A vegetable peeler with a wooden handle, a built-in scallion shredder, and a bottle opener is doing a lot more than the one in your drawer right now. Wide stainless steel blade takes thin, clean strips off potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers without digging in. The serrated shredding edge turns green onions into those thin garnish strips for ramen and soups in seconds. Pouring hot bacon grease down the sink is one of those expensive plumbing mistakes you only make once. The Prep Solutions Grease Keeper is a 2-cup silicone container with a removable strainer that catches all the bits while the clean grease pours through. Honeycomb grip stays cool to the touch even when you're pouring straight from a hot pan. These 5-blade herb scissors cut fresh herbs directly into your dish in seconds. Food-grade stainless steel blades stay sharp and rust-free. The non-slip TPR handle gives you comfortable control, and the included cleaning brush and blade comb make cleanup between the blades effortless. Chop basil, parsley, cilantro, and mint in one quick snip instead of pulling out a cutting board. This 3-piece grater set with fine, coarse, and extra coarse blades covers every kitchen grating job for just $8.99, 55% off right now. Sharp 304 stainless steel blades handle Parmesan, lemon zest, ginger, garlic, chocolate, and vegetables without clogging. Each grater has a protective cover for safe storage, and a cleaning brush is included to clear residue between uses. 3 tools, 1 great price. This rechargeable milk frother creates thick, creamy foam in just 20 seconds, and it's only $8.99, 31% off right now. The double spring whisk head outperforms standard single coil frothers, USB-C charging means no batteries to replace, and the included storage tube keeps the whisk clean between uses. Cafe-quality lattes and cappuccinos from your own kitchen for under $9. A rocking garlic press that minces a clove in 5 seconds with no cleanup is one of those tools you use every single day. The Vantic is $7.99, 50% off. Arc-shaped stainless steel rocks back and forth over the garlic, and the mince collects right on top, so there's no basket to unclog and no extra dishes. Comes with a garlic peeler, scraper, and cleaning brush in the box. This OXO swivel peeler is one of those kitchen tools that once you use it, every other peeler feels wrong, and it's just $12.50, 11% off right now. Twin swiveling blades flex to follow the curves of any produce. The oversized non-slip handle stays comfortable through large peeling jobs, and a built-in eye remover handles potato eyes without wasting any flesh. Classic OXO quality that lasts for years. This 8-piece borosilicate glass container set with airtight lids covers every meal prep and storage need for just $20.88, 27% off right now. 4 snap-lock hinges and a silicone seal make every container completely leak-proof. The glass goes straight from freezer to microwave to oven up to 752 degrees, and crystal-clear sides show exactly what's inside without opening anything. The Astercook set is $39.98, 33% off. High-carbon German stainless steel with a black nonstick coating that resists rust and keeps food from sticking to the blade. You get every knife you actually need: chef, bread, santoku, paring, utility, 6 steak knives, and kitchen shears. The sharpener is built right into the block slot so you sharpen one-handed before every use. This 36-watt mug warmer keeps your coffee at exactly the temperature you choose, and it's just $21.99, 28% off right now. 3 temperature settings from 130 to 176 degrees, a 5.2-inch heating plate fits virtually any mug, and a customizable 2 to 12-hour auto shutoff timer means you never have to worry about leaving it on. This stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids, a colander, and a 4-in-1 grater attachment covers nearly every kitchen prep task for just $26.99, 21% off right now. 3 sizes from 1.5 to 5 quarts nest together for compact storage, non-slip silicone bottoms stay put on any counter, and the microporous colander drains faster than standard strainers. This 7-quart crock-pot feeds 8 or more people and fits a full 6-pound roast, making it the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it kitchen essential. High, low, and warm settings let you cook a hot meal in a few hours or let dinner slow cook all day while you're at work. The removable stoneware and lid go straight into the dishwasher, so cleanup is as easy as the cooking. The Amazon Basics silicone baking mats are a 2-pack non-stick surface that releases cookies, roasted vegetables, and sheet pan meals without oil or spray. Oven safe to 480 degrees, dishwasher safe, and reusable basically forever. 16.5 by 11.6 inches fits a standard half-sheet pan. Lay them down, bake, wipe clean, or toss in the dishwasher. This Dawn Powerwash spray cuts grease 5 times faster than regular dish soap and requires no water to activate, and it's just $4.94, 45% off right now. Just spray directly onto dirty dishes, pots, or pans, wipe and rinse. No soaking, no scrubbing. It replaces an overnight soak in minutes, and the reusable sprayer means less waste and more savings over time. This Cuisinart bread maker does all the mixing, kneading, and baking automatically, so fresh homemade bread is as simple as adding ingredients. 12 menu programs handle everything from sandwich loaves to pizza dough to cake. 3 crust settings and 3 loaf sizes give you full control over the result. And the LCD display counts down exactly where you are in the process. This automatic pan stirrer sits in your pot and stirs soups, sauces, and gravies hands-free so you can focus on everything else in the kitchen. 3 speed settings with LED indicators, it moves forward and backward on its own, and the removable nylon legs are safe on non-stick cookware and dishwasher safe. Drop it in, push the button, and walk away. This stainless steel sink caddy keeps your sponge, brush, and dish soap organized right at the sink, and it's just $9.99, 50% off right now. The sloped self-draining design keeps your sponge dry between uses so it stays fresher longer. Non-slip pads keep the caddy locked in place on any counter, and the black powder-coated steel resists rust for years. This microwave pasta cooker makes perfect al dente pasta without boiling water on the stove, no watching, no stirring, and no boilovers. The built-in strainer lid drains directly in the microwave, so there's only one container to wash. It cooks evenly without sticking, and the whole thing is made right here in the USA. Pasta night just got a lot easier. These non-stick oven liners catch every drip and spill before it burns onto the bottom of your oven, and a 3-pack is just $12.99, 13% off right now. BPA and PFOA free, easy to cut to any size, and they clean up in the dishwasher or with a quick rinse. Works in electric ovens, gas ovens, air fryers, and grills, so one pack covers every appliance in your kitchen. This garbage disposal cleaner foams up to scrub the sidewalls, blades, and under the splash guard where normal cleaning never reaches. The powerful formula cuts through built-up grease and food residue that causes those unpleasant sink smells, leaves a fresh lemon scent behind, and used weekly keeps your disposal running cleanly all year. These silicone freezer molds let you freeze soups, sauces, and broths in perfect 1-cup portions, so weeknight meals are always just a reheat away. Fill lines at half-cup and full cup, make portioning foolproof. The steel-reinforced rim keeps the tray rigid when carrying a full load, and the lid prevents freezer burn. Oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and a genuine meal prep game-changer. This microfiber dish drying mat absorbs water instantly and protects your countertop at the same time. And it's just $7.99, 40% off right now. The non-slip rubber backing stays put on any surface, it rolls up for easy drawer storage when not in use, and cleaning is as simple as a quick rinse and air dry. Available in 5 sizes and can even be cut to fit your exact counter space. Scrubbing exploded tomato sauce off the microwave ceiling is a chore that never needs to happen again. The Tovolo splatter cover is $9.99, 9% off. Silicone dome with vented holes that let steam escape so food heats evenly without pressure buildup. Covers plates and bowls up to 10 inches wide. Collapses from 3 inches down to under an inch for storage.